Namaste friends, welcome to Siddhi Yoga. I am Tara and I'm going to teach you 6 most effective asanas to gaining the strength and flexibility. This sequence is specially designed for those who they would like to practice yoga but they don't have sufficient time in their daily routine. This practice is going to be short but powerful. So get ready, get your comfy clothes on and let's get started. For this practice, we don't need any props with us. We just need a yoga mat. And this practice has 6 asanas, and these 6 asanas are very effective, very powerful. We are starting with the first asana practice, standing your feet with hip width distance apart, bind your fingers, have your hands on top of your head, palm facing up. The practice is called Utthit Tadasana. Now from here, with inhalation, stretching your arms up, lifting heels up, pelvis tucked under, belly button sucked in. Arms are fully extended. Now with the exhalation, dropping your heels down and hands down to your head. This practice will move dynamically, continuously. We are doing the same repetition for 8 times. Now get ready again. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, releasing your arms and relaxing your shoulder. If it's needed, you can shake your shoulders here. And now the next practice is Triyak Tadasana. For Triyak Tadasana, we are going to open the feet. Feet are shoulder width distance apart. Now understand the practice first. Binding the fingers, raising the arms up, same as before. But we are keeping the heels down this time. Breathing in here. With exhalation, we lean the body towards the right. With inhalation, we come up. And with exhalation, we lean the body towards the left. So this is the movement practice we are going to do dynamically both sides. With exhalation, we are leaning. But if you have weak lower back or any issues connected with your lower back, it's better you inhale when you are leaning to one side and exhale when you are moving back to the center. I'll be using instruction as exhaling moving to the side, but you must follow your body. So get ready. Let's practice this for 8 times. Bind your fingers. Inhale, stretching your arms up. Pelvis tucked under, belly button in. Inhale and start. After 8 times, releasing your arms down, relaxing your shoulder. Again, if it's needed, you can just shake your arms and shoulder. Alright. Now our third practice is connected with our spine called Kati Chakrasana, standing dynamic spinal twist movement. So for this practice, feet is hip width distance apart, can be a bit wider, can be smaller. Just be safe with your ankle and knee during your twisting movement. This is how it looks, the twisting movement. What I'm doing to do the twist, I'm keeping my arms lifted, elbow bent. Inhaling here with exhalation, I'm going to place my left hands top up to my right shoulder, moving my right hands behind, around my waist and twisting. Inhaling back to the center. Exhaling, moving the right hands top up to the left shoulder, moving the left hands behind, wrapping around my waist and twisting to the left. And this is how it looks with a dynamic movement. Alright. So before we begin the practice, just few safety instructions you need to follow. If you feel dizzy during the practice, do not turn your head along with the twist. Keep your head to look straight. If you feel pressure in your ankle or knee during the twist, you can keep your the outer leg, which means the opposite leg of your twist side, free. So here what I'm doing when I'm twisting, I'm lifting and turning my foot. So this keeps my knee free and relaxed during the twist. So you can practice your twist like this. All right, let's begin the practice together. Arms are lifted, shoulders are down. Inhale and start. After 8 times, twist both sides, returning back to the center, releasing your arms down and relaxing the shoulder. So this was the practice of Kati Chakrasana. After Kati Chakrasana practice, we are going to move towards the next practice. For the next practice, we want to open our legs a bit more wider. After you open your legs, make sure your feet are completely straight. Watch me doing the practice and we can repeat the practice together. So from here, I'm leaning forward, releasing my hands down, and here we are going to do a swinging movement and stretching the hamstring, glutes and the back during the practice. So from here, inhaling, I'm lifting myself up a little bit. With exhalation, stretching my arms forward as far I can stretch them forward. Inhaling, swinging myself up. Exhaling, stretching my arms to the side, beside my feet. Inhaling up, exhaling, inserting my hands under the leg, behind the back. So like this, these are the 3 movements we will be doing dynamically, which will look like this. All right, so let's begin the practice. After you open your legs, slowly bend forward, releasing your hands down. Now get ready. Inhale, lifting your chest up. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, slowly come up and move your feet in. If it's needed, you can shake your legs. Whenever you feel tired anywhere in your joint, you can shake your body to relax. And now the next practice, we are going to get into the prone position to perform this practice. Let me show you the practice here. So from here, the palm should be close to the upper chest. The ankles are extended to the back. Feet are hip width distance apart. Pelvis tucked under. I'm pressing my pubic bone down, stretching my legs to the back. And I'm going to press my palm, inhaling, lifting my chest up. And now rolling my shoulders back and down, dragging my shoulder blade down and into the body to move the chest forward. So this is the beginning point, the beginning position. Inhaling from here again. With exhalations, turning my shoulder towards my right and twisting towards the right. Try to see the right heel. Inhaling, returning body back to the center. Exhaling, turning and twisting towards my left. And try to see my left heel. And keep twisting my body from one side to another side to do this movement. So get ready. Get into the prone position now. Forehead down on the mat. Have your palms close to your upper chest. Legs are extended to the back. Feet are hip width distance apart. And now, stretching your legs to the back, rolling your buttocks under, press the pubic bone down, press your palms on the floor, inhaling, lifting your chest up. Shoulders are rolled back and down, moving your chest forward. You can come up this much or you can stay low. As far your body allows, you can follow the practice. So you can come up here or here or here. Just remember, do not lift your shoulders up like this. Do not hyperextend your elbow like this. The elbow should be always bending. Shoulders are down. Do not try to come up all the way up like this. Try to keep your pelvis down on the floor. So you can stay low and perform the safe practice and progressive practice from here. All right, get ready. Inhale, keeping your chest up. Exhale, twist to your right. Try to see your right heel. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, twist to your left heel. Continue 8 times. Right, left, right, left. Continue. Very good. After your 8 time completes, releasing yourself down, have your hands front, moving your forehead down on your hands, shoulders down and relax. So you can rest here for a while after you complete this practice. If this practice, in case this practice is too challenging for your wrist and elbow, or you have any issues connected with your wrist and elbow, but you still want to perform the same practice, so it's better you perform your practice like this. Get on your forearm, shoulders are down and relax, chest are open, inhale and exhale, twist, turning your shoulder and head to see your right heel, inhale and exhale, twist to the other side. So you can practice this pose with the forearms down and you can still get the benefit of the pose. Alright, so after this practice completes, your rest completes, push and lift yourself up. You may want to stretch your back in child pose for once. So get into child pose, give a nice stretch to your back here. And then come up for the practice number 6. This is the last practice in our sequence. Sit with the left foot. We are going to do the rolling and rotation. This is one of the most beneficial practice. Most of the people, they use this practice as a warm-up or as a relaxing practices at the end of the sequence. But this practice, when it comes with the rolling, this practice has really good effect to the spine, to the core, and to the internal organs. So let's enjoy the practice. So from here, let me demonstrate. Inhaling, when we are up, with exhalation, we are rolling back, and inhale, we roll forward and coming up. And same time, I'm also start turning and rotating in one side direction, exhaling, rolling back, inhaling up, exhaling, rolling back, inhaling up, exhaling, rolling back, inhaling up, exhaling, rolling back. So like this practice completes the cycle. We will be practicing 2 cycles here. So get ready. Hold your shin bone, keep your shoulders relaxed, spine relaxed. Breathe in here. Exhale, roll back. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, roll back. Continue. Very good. Keep rolling. I have completed my half cycle. I'm going to complete the cycle. Try to roll for at least 5 to 6 or 7 times in one half circle. To complete the circle, try to roll at least 10, 12 or 14, 15 times. So to get the maximum benefit. One round is complete. Let's do the another one. I'm going to complete my second round here. Good. After you complete your 2 rounds here, let's do rotation different direction. So rotate other way around. So this time as well 2 times. Half cycle is complete. I'm going to complete my cycle. Good. So here I have completed 1 round. I'm going to finish the practice, going to complete another round. Keep following the practice with me. half complete. And 2 round completes. After your 2 rounds get completes, your body might want to relax. So the best positions to relax the body is Shavasana. For Shavasana, lie on your back. If you get some time left, you must practice Shavasana after all this practice completes. Lie on your back. Your feet are open like mat with distance apart. Your hands are next to your body, palm faced up, fingers are gently curved. Do not use any pillow under your head. Place the back of the head nicely on the mat, maintaining the natural curve on the back of the neck. Eyes are closed, stay soft and relaxed. Allow your whole body to relax completely. And also connect to the flow of the breath, taking slow deep inhale, slow deep exhale to relaxing the breath, relaxing the heart and whole body. As much time left here for you, you can rest in Shavasana. The Shavasana rest can be done in 2 minutes to 15 minutes, can be 20 minutes, depending on how much timing you have left. So this is the last part. After you complete your 6 asanas, and this was the whole practice. Take your enough timing to relax yourself in Shavasana, and I'm here to say thanks for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep growing. Thank you. Namaste.